Result set extractor callback interface. It is generally useful to copy multiple records of result set to list of model class objects. Getting my point? Multiple records of result set object to list of model class objects. What guys? List of model class objects. Okay, this is the ring. Select employee number, name, job, sal from EMP where job is equal to question mark. So job is equal to question mark means having given designation, multiple employees will be there or not. So let us assume I have given clerk here. I have given clerk here. Having clerk designation, 3 records have come into result set object. We are copying them to three objects of employee class, right? And we are adding them to list collection. Earlier, we used to work with what, guys? Query for list method, which gives us list of map objects, right? Which gives us list of map objects. But now we are dealing with what, guys? Query method, that where you want to get list of Java bean class objects. List of Java bean class objects. Check it out. In result set extractor callback interface, what is the method we are having? Extract data is the method we are having. Okay. Extract data is this one. That gives me result set object with a bunch of records. These records we copy into list of Java bean class objects. I mean to say list of model class objects. Right now, method of JDBC template class. Method of JDBC template class. Yeah, this is the method what we have to use in JDBC template class. What is the method, guys? Query is the method. Query result set extractor arguments. Okay, if parameter type is result set extractor, if the parameter type is result set extractor, tell me what happens. If the parameter type is result set extractor, I want reply, boss. I want reply. Come on. If the parameter type is result set extractor, okay, we should pass result set extractor object or its implementation class object. Should pass result set extractor object or its implementation class object. I want reply from you people, guys. Method of JDBC template class, guys. Here is my query. Result set extractor RSC. Object 3 dots ARGS. Right now, boss? Okay, right now, what is my target, guys? Example code to get multiple records given by select SQL query execution in the form of what, guys? Select SQL query execution in the form of list of Java Bean class objects. List of Java Bean class objects. Super, guys. This is my requirement. Okay, now let's get into our one. I will try to give in total 3 variants. Number 1, using anonymous inner class concept. Number 2, using what? Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Number 3, using ready-made class, guys. Predefined class doing the same functionality. Predefined class doing the same functionality, right now, boss? All editors. All back methods, guys. And TAO interface. Yeah, let's have a look. Public list employee. Get to employee details by designation. String designation. Get employee details by designation. Here is my DAO IMP. This is my one. This is my one. Have a look, guys. List employee list is equal JT dot. First of all, can I prepare the SQL query here? Can I prepare the SQL query here? Private static final string get EMP details by designation. Get EMP details by designation. Got it? Select employee number, name, job, sal from EMP, where job is equal to question. Select employee number, employee name, job, sal from EMP, where job is equal to question. Got it, my point? Okay, from J, where is missing? Okay, where job is equal to question. Super. Now listen, what is the method we are having? Query method. What is the first parameter? Get to EMPs by designation. Second parameter is, okay, third parameter is designation. Array Varax ga boss. Third parameter is this one. What is second parameter technically, guys? We should pass anonymous inner class implementing result set extractor interface, right? Tell me, guys. New result set extractor. New result set extractor. List employee. List employee. Open floor bracket, closing floor bracket. Super, guys. Now tell me, what happened, guys? Here one anonymous inner class is created implementing result set extractor interface, right? Okay, inside that, extract data method is implemented. Check it out now, boss. Check it out. What is the method we are having? Extract data method is implemented. What do you say, boss? Extract data method is implemented. Rule, boss. Okay. Yeah, we get a result set object with a bunch of records now, boss. Here we get a result set object with a bunch of records, this one. So those records we should copy into what, guys? Okay, Java bean class objects, and this Java bean class object we should add to list collection. We should add to list collection, right? So, now tell me here, list employee. List employee, list EMPs is equal. List employee, list MPs is equal to new array list of. New array list of. Done. Tell me here. While rs dot next. While rs dot next. In each iteration, you will get one record now, boss. Check it out. Employee EMP is equal to new employee of. Employee EMP is equal to new employee of. EMP dot set employee number. RS dot get int of 1. EMP dot set E name. RS dot get string of 2. EMP dot, tell me, set job. RS dot get string of 3. EMP dot set salary. RS dot get double of 4. Then what is next one? List EMPs dot add EM. List EMPs dot add EM. Yeah, tell me what happens, guys. Tell me what happened. Iteration 1, copying record into employee class object. That object is added to list collection. Iteration 2, second record is copied to employee class object that is added to list collection. Iteration 3, object is added to employee class object that is added to list collection. That is added to list collection. I want reply, boss. Yeah, tell me what happened, guys. How many records are there? How many records are there? Those many employee class objects will be created and those objects will be added to list collection. Come on, interesting or not? Okay, this is end of the while loop. After the while loop, we have those list collection will be written now, boss. Okay, this is end of the method call. And this is end of the anonymous inner class. End of the anonymous inner class. End of the anonymous inner class. Right now, boss? Tell me here what happening. Tell me here what's happening. List of employee class objects are written to query method. Query method returns to DAO class method. DAO class method returns to service class method. Right now, boss? DAO class method returns to DAO. Ultimately, my theory is happened or not happened? Everything is happening according to theory or not? What actually happening was, from JT data source is gathered. Using data source, connection object from connection pool is gathered. Using that connection object, prepared statement object is created, having given query as the precompiled query. By taking the given SQL query as the precompiled query. For that query, designation will be set as query parameter value. Right. Then query executes. When query is executed, you will get result set object, right? Having bunch of records. Simply having bunch of records. Super. Okay. From the second argument, it will gather anonymous inner class object. On that object, it calls extract data method having that result set object. Those result set records are copied to what? Okay, Java Bean class objects, and those Java Bean class objects are added to list collection. Those Java Bean class objects are added to list collection. Got it, my point? Come on, my dear. Okay, guys. Added to list collection, list collection. That list collection is written to query method. Query method returns to DAO class method. DAO class method returns to service class method. Same story of yesterday, boss. Super, boss. Tell me, go to service, guys. Public list employee, fetch employees by designation. Fetch employees by designation. Add unimplemented methods. Use DAO. Use DAO. Tell me here what is there. List employee list is equal to EMP dot get employees details by designation. Here is designation. Here is my list, guys. Here is my list. In service, I am trying to use the DAO. Yeah, done, boss. Next, go to client application, my dear. Client application, my dear. Sys out. List employee list is equal to list employee list is equal to service dot fetch employees by designation list dot for each. What, guys? List dot for each. System dot out dot println en. Semicolon. If interested, we will keep try block, guys. Here is try. Here is catch. Exception E was. E dot print stack guys. E dot print stack. Got it? Yeah, let's have a look. Run as Java. Save. Are they having clerk designation? How many records are there? 2 records are there. Having clerk designation, how many records are there? 2 records are there. So we got both the records or not? I hope you are understanding my statement, boss. Right. See the example was argument query, argument to anonymous inner class having anonymous inner class anonymous inner class object, anonymous inner class object having the implementation of okay, inner class object implementing. What is that, guys? Implementing result set extractor interface. What, guys? Result set extractor interface. Cool, guys. Got the point, my dear? This is argument 2, guys. Argument 3 is this. Argument 3 is this. Here is the logic to copy result set object records to list of employee class objects. What is the total internal flow, guys? What is the total internal flow? Yeah. The total internal flow is what?